Today we're gonna do bath bombs. So what you'll need for this is olive oil, food coloring, so you can choose your color. I'm gonna use pink today. Baking soda, citric acid, so this is an important ingredient. An egg shaper, so any plastic egg will do. A little toy that goes inside. You can use perfume or you can do it without it. And some things to put in there that melt in water. I have a measuring spoon, a mixing bowl, and a spatula. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we need is to mix the baking soda and the citric acid. So baking soda and citric acid, you need 1 part citric acid to 2 parts of baking soda. I'm gonna use 1.5 tablespoons of citric acid for this, so we can make 1 egg. So that much. Put it in a mixing bowl, and 2 parts of the baking soda. 1, 2. The next thing we need to do is put in our liquids, but we need to be careful because this mixture is gonna start fizzing as soon as you put anything liquid. So I want to start with putting in a few drops of olive oil. That's gonna make it easier to work with, and it's also gonna be good for the skin. And then just a little bit of food coloring. 1 or 2 drops would be good, so we try to control that to just a drop or 2. Oops. See that? It started fizzing already. And then I got this from one of those soap making sets. It's actually perfume and it has a little bit of red dye in it. But you don't have to use that. You can use essential oils if you want. But I like using this. So this is strawberry scented. And then I also have from the same soap making kit is this one, some things that melt in water. So you can start putting that in to your bath bomb just to make it pretty. And don't mix it with your finger, use a spatula to mix it. Break apart those things that already started fizzing so the color mixes in with the rest of the ingredients. Just keep mixing until everything turns pink or whatever color it is you're using, and the olive oil mixes well with everything else. When you get it all mixed up, so it's gonna look like this, get your egg shaper, so a plastic egg or any little toy container would do. I pre-oiled it with olive oil so the things don't stick in it. Olive oil is not gonna make it fizz, it's not liquid, so that's good. Just spread a little bit of olive oil on the inside part so it's easier to take the thing out, the egg out when it's done. So start with a little bit on the bottom of the container. Just pack it in well like that. There. And then put your toy somewhere in the middle. And then top it off with more of those fizzy things until the entire egg is full. So when you close it, I'm not gonna fill it up right now. When you close it, things are gonna come out of the sides, and that's okay. The thing we need to do is really pack it tight so it doesn't crumble when you take out the egg. And then just leave it to dry for about half a day or a day, and then you're good to go. You're gonna have your bath bomb. So just a quick tip, it's easier to bring them together if you fill the bottom half, put the toy in there, and then fill the top half, then just put them together. If you can overfill it, that's better actually, because it's gonna make sure it's really packed tight. So that's it. That is our egg bath bomb. A lot of people use this to put dinosaurs inside. You can put any small toy that's made of plastic, so it doesn't absorb the smell or the colors. And then it's good to teach children about bases and acids and how they react with each other. So again, your ingredients, you just need food coloring, citric acid, baking soda, olive oil, any essential oil or perfume that you want to add, any cute thing that melts in water, and then just put them together. 2 parts baking soda, 1 part citric acid, and you've got your homemade bath bomb for the kids to play with.